When you are a Nigerian content creator, either you're creating content or content is creating you, you need an extra power backup. If I mean extra power backup, I don't mean generator, but you need an extra solar power backup so that each time NEPA or light goes off, you can use that solar power backup to complement NEPA or the other light. I don't know about other countries, but in my country, Nigeria, we have very poor power supply that most times or in most cases we don't even have up to 12 hours power supply in a day. So now as a content creator that wants to be consistent and posting videos consistently, you will need an extra power supply. If you buy a generator, you spend money or you keep spending money buying fuel. And we know how expensive fuel is now. Like sometimes you can buy a liter of fuel 1,500. So because of that, the only option or the only good or best alternative is a solar power generator or a solar generator. So in this video, I want to actually unbox my solar generator that I just bought yesterday. Maybe it could be helpful to some content creators that don't know the type of solar system to buy. So guys, right here in front of me is my solar generator that I just bought yesterday, and I want to unbox it to see how it looks inside. I haven't actually used this before, but I got a recommendation from a seller to buy this solar generator. So to unbox it, first of all, I will open here and then open here. I'll first remove this layer. Okay, I'll remove this, keep it on the floor. Then I'll bring it out from, okay, I'll bring this. Okay, I think here is the connector between the solar panel and the solar generator. I'll drop this, and right here, okay, here is the charger. Don't worry, I'll explain all this later to you according to how they explain to me. Okay, I'll leave this up. It's not too heavy, but it's kind of heavy. We have nothing left inside here. Drop the carton. Let me turn this way, maybe face this way. Okay, I'll stay the same. So guys, as I was saying, this is actually a 1 kVA. That 1 kVA means a 1000 watt solar generator. You can see it, right? And it comes with a 320 watt solar panel, whereby you can mount the panel outside and charge with the panel, or you can also charge with light. Okay, I think here is the connector that you can connect with the solar panel to the solar generator, but the panel is outside, so I can't make video outside right now. And while here is the charger, if there's no sun, or maybe if you don't want to use solar panel, you can use the charger to plug to the socket and then plug to the solar generator and charge it. So to say, it means that you can charge with solar panel and at the same time charge with NEPA light or with light. And because of this, it's very movable. Maybe if you are traveling to somewhere or in some remote areas, you can take it on the charger and go with it, whereby you can charge it from time to time. So now to on this solar generator, just come here and press and hold it, and it has on. You can see it's making a sound like can you hear the sound? If I turn this way, you can see an air, okay, where air is coming out. Here is where air is coming out, so that at least to avoid overheating. Since I bought it yesterday, so I have charged it and it's full. So guys, I haven't actually used this before, but I got a recommendation from a seller to buy this. And from what they told me, they said this solar generator is very strong because it comes with a lithium battery. So from what I've been hearing, they said lithium battery is very, very strong. I don't know about other batteries. In fact, I don't know much about solar, but they said lithium battery is the best according to what they have been saying or telling me. And they said this solar generator can power your TV, like 50 inches TV. It can power your fan. It can power your laptop or charge your laptop as many times, charge your phone, even your studio light, and several other gadgets. And they said, according to what they said this solar generator can alone can charge your laptop for, let me say, 15 times before it runs down. That is to say, you can charge your laptop, according to them, for like 19 or 20 hours. I haven't actually used it before, but I will try and use it. And from the review I have seen online from people, they have actually given it a very nice review, which it means that maybe it's good. So as a content creator that is trying to start a content career or start posting content consistently, you need an extra power backup if you live in Nigeria, because I know that Nigeria, the power supply here or the power system here is extremely very poor. And if you check in my channel recently, or let me just say for about 2 months ago, I have not been posting consistently. Sometimes I post like 2 videos in a week, 1 video in a week, and it's very poor as a content creator. At least I should be posting like at least a video in a day, 7 videos in a week. That's okay. So because of that, I used my last money to go and buy this solar generator, and I bought this generator for 360,000 naira from the shop I saw online. I won't mention the shop because this is not an advertisement video. But some shops or some vendor or some sellers sell it for 420,000 or maybe even more. But I was lucky that I bought this for that amount. And it comes with a very big plate, 320 solar panel. It's a very large and massive and big plate used to charge this solar system. You can see right now it's on. And to off it again, come here and press here and hold it, and it will go off. It has gone off. You can see, right? To on it again, I press it here and hold it, it will go on. And now to clear all doubts right now, I will test this solar panel with my fan to see how it is. So guys, please stay with me. I will lift this up and take it to my bedroom so that I will test it with my fan. Here is actually my bedroom, and here's my fan. You can see right now there's NEPA light, there's light, and this is my aux fan. You can see the NEPA in my house always brings very low voltage. Because of that, I use stabilizer for my fridge. This is 2000 watts for my fridge, and I swear I use a 5000 watt stabilizer for my AC because the voltage here is extremely very poor. So now I want to test this solar generator to see how it will carry my fan. Okay, you can see I put my fan on 2. Okay, it's even on 3, but you can see that the strength is very low. It's not even blowing as much air because the voltage is very low. Now if I bring it to 1, you can see it's very low, just as if somebody is blowing air with his mouth. You can't even hear the sound of the fan. Okay, now let me off it. It's on 1, right? Let me off it. Now I'll come here to the socket and remove it and plug to my solar generator and see how. Okay, from the socket here, here's the socket here, and to plug this to your solar generator, I'll just take it and bring it here to this socket here on the generator and plug it here. I've plugged it right, so I'll come here to my fan and put it on gear 1. You can see my fan is blowing with strength, and I hope you can hear the sound. You can see it, right? So according to the seller, he said if I plug this generator to my fan alone, maybe it can serve like 13 hours or more. Though I don't know much, I just bought it. And the good thing is that this generator can also be connected to your changeover, that is to your NEPA light changeover, so that you can actually power the entire light system in the room. You can see it, right? So you can see my fan is blowing with strength. So guys, as a content creator, guys, please look for any solar generator and buy, because there are many. There are actually as many as possible. But for me, I choose this one because I believe maybe this will be good from what the seller told me. He said it was going to be very genuine with me. So now I want to pull this off. Pull this off and remove it from the socket. Now take it back to my parlor. Now if I want to charge it, I'll keep it here, go here to the table and bring my cable, the charger. This is the charger. So I said there are two ways to charge it, either with the solar panel, that's the panel connector, and with the charger right here. So to charge it now, I'll take it to the socket and plug it on the socket, and plug it here, socket. Now bring the head and plug it here. You can see here is for that, this PV input is for the solar connector. Right here, this AC input is the normal charger. So I'll plug it on this AC input. Press it. You can see it, right? Right now it's charging. But because it's full, if it's not full, this light, okay, it will be blinking. Okay, because it's full, let me move it. Now let me off it first. Okay, now let me plug it back. Maybe it's actually full. That's why. Okay, this light, my light voltage is very bad. So my light voltage is actually not able to charge it. So to charge it, I will use a stabilizer to charge it. You can see it, right? So guys, I just said let me do an unboxing video, and I think the video has also gone with the review. So that's all for this solar system. If you're a content creator, please try and buy anyone and start making your content without any disturbance. Now, if this video was impactful, guys, please make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe so that you stay tuned for more updates. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.